Hi, welcome to MG Velo. Today we're going to be changing the bar tape. Stuff we've bought is the Lizard Skins 2.5mm. Come for a nice sexy pink. It's not for my bike, it's for the girlfriend's. I'm also going to be fitting some Cinelli gels for the drops, just to give it that bit of extra comfort, take a bit of buzz out the handlebars. Right, so let's do it. Right, okay, so the bike itself is a Specialized Roubaix comp disc. The stuff we've got at the moment is Specialized Zone, foamy stuff. Yeah, it does its job, but when you're on the turbo trainer and you're sweating, it catches the sweat a lot, so we'll get that changed right now. Okay, so you can already see that Specialized fit as standard some sort of vibration damping gel to the bars. I've actually fitted this on my Giant Defy for when I went to Flanders. Found it helped a hell of a lot. A bit more comfort. We got these from Wiggle, only about £3 foot pair. I didn't think they were too bad. Okay, so we've got Lizard Skins 2.5mm. See, rubbery texture, feels quite nice. In the box you get 2 tapes. Finishing off with some instructions there how to do it. Bar tape itself, 2 little pieces for me hoods, 2 sexy little end caps. Right, so let's do it. There we go, we're doing it here. So there you have it, Lizard Skins installed. Not that bad, could have probably been a bit neater, but should do the job. Feels a lot neater and comfortable than this. Time will tell. Right, well, thanks for watching. That's how we've installed the Lizard Skins bar tape. Stand by for more videos. Cheers.